Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat, wherever you are in this world. This is your trading coach, trading mentor Neil. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo guys yung technical analysis ko for dito. So, we have here the long-term downtrend from November 2018 up to August of this year. Then later we have here the reversal pattern. So we have this cup and handle, nag-breakout na siya. Then we have also a breakout of the trend line. And as you can see here, we have a very tight consolidation and followed by a small gap and another gap and a post candle. So right now, yung price natin nag-post. But does it mean that we are now heading back or pulling back? So we do not know yet because yung close ng candle na to is still above the 50% ng candle range. So it can happen that isa lang itong post candle and going back here, from here it's really a strong momentum. So consolidation for a while, then breakout sa trend line and then gap. So the gap is showing to us that there is a new support area here. So, and since this is a strong momentum, it can happen that we have here a post candle, and the next day will be followed by a candle that will, or the price breaking out of this high of the post candle, and at the same time the high of this long range candle. So, in other words, ito yung magiging entry natin. So, bukas, if the price breaks above 5.0, that's a buy signal. Then you set your stop below this post candle around 4.70. So in this case, we have a risk of 0.21 cent. So another thing that you should consider also is that if you measure the swing high to swing low and measure the 50 to 60% retracement, you will find that this area is a resistance. So it can also happen that at this point medyo magkakaroon muna ng few days consolidation or it will pull back. So the price can pull back where to it can pull back to this trend line. So it can pull back to this trend line or into this gap support. Another possibility is a pullback. So exactly this area. So 50 to 60% pullback. So pag nag-hold dito yung price, mag-aabang tayo ng bounce. Kasi this area is really a very significant support. Pero pag mag-breakdown, so we will expect it to respect this next support area, which was the previous resistance. So we are still bullish with dito. So kaka-breakout lang natin ng pattern na to. So this pattern is cap and handle. This is the cap and handle. So kaka-breakout lang natin dyan. And this is a bullish pattern. And yung target natin dyan is theoretically is actually this height of the cap. We have around 2.96 target price. So it will measure from here to here, 2.96. Somewhere here at 7. So which is in confluence, almost in that swing high here. Alright, so that's my analysis with Dito. So it's still bullish. No sell signal. In fact, there might be an opportunity to buy via this 1 to 3 candle formation, or one 3 bar play. So the next day breakout of this 5.0 is a buy signal. Set the stop to 4.79. So actually sumali ako sa Investacap, and one of my holdings is dito, and I'm still holding that. So far medyo nasa 400 plus pa. Hopefully it will still improve soon. And medyo mahirap din mag-trade kasi nandito ako sa Europe time zone. So hindi ako nagigising. So puro lang mga limit orders yung ginagawa ko. At sine-check ko na lang during off market. Alright, so guys, kung hindi nyo pa alam, I'm doing mentorship program. I'm teaching newbies, intermediate traders, at yung mga traders meron ng alam pero hindi pa maka-fine-tune sa mga strategies nila. So I am doing one-on-one session online, and kung wala ka namang time mag live session, you can decide to purchase my recorded session na nirecord ko from a previous mentorship. Also, if you would like to get my latest weekly stock updates, write me a message and I will send to you more info about it. Also guys, I'm also trading US market, and if you would like to learn from me how to trade US stock market, let me know. And I also teach guys how to do option trading. Right, so Dan Soy, good morning sa iyo dyan. So I don't know where you are, Dan Soy. Philippines ba yung time zone mo, or saan ka ba? So I'm here in Hungary, Europe. So it's already midnight here. So medyo nagkaroon ng time to go live just before I go to sleep. Alright, so that's some bonus tips for you guys kasi nanonood kayo ngayon. So let me show to you one of my screen. Tinitingnan ko yung mga stocks. So CHP is one. CHP nagkaroon ng disclosure about the stock rights offering, which was really a big amount of money, and they are planning it for expansion. So maybe nagandahan sila sa disclosure na yon, mga traders, and yun, nagkaroon ng 11.5% move. So basically we broke out that pivot here, and we broke out with a certain distance from that point. So tapos napakalakas ng volume, taas ng volume. So paano ba mag-enter dito? So you can enter in two ways. Number one, so put it to 1 hour, a break. Although ito medyo risky entry to, break of that 1.66 can be a buy, but the best entry is really a pullback. So measure here, so somewhere here in this area. So antayin mag-pullback at this area. At of course, kailangan magantay ka ng na hindi magpapatuloy yung sell-off. So red candle, then wait for the green candle to form. So at 1 hour So yung stop loss mo, you can set it below the EMA 21 at 1 hour time frame. So around 1.5. Kung tumuloy yung pag pullback dito, so medyo alanganin yan. Kailangan natin, kumuha ng next support. So, ilalagay natin yung entry natin somewhere here. So, aantayin din natin yung pag-bounce ng price before bumili. Then, yung stop loss mo ilalagay mo dito. So, again, first way to enter is a breakout. So, ito yung medyo low priority na type of entry. Yung the best entry is really to pullback entry over here in this area. Pag tumagos dito sa 1.54, antayin mo humina yung sell-off dito sa 1.5 area and magkaroon ng bounce candles. So that's it guys. So medyo CHP medyo it's really forming a bullish pattern kasi this is now the base. Ito yung buong pattern. It's actually a W pattern, double bottom. So we have here first bottom, second bottom, and we have the key resistance. At kabi-break lang natin sa key resistance na yan. At since this is the base, so what can possibly happen is really a trend pullback and continue to trend higher. So tingnan mo lang dito sa left side yung mga pivot points. So kagaya nito. This can be your target. This can be your target. So medyo mataas yung risk reward natin. Kasi ito lang yung risk. Or sabihin na natin ito pero mataas pa yung upsides. Alright, so marami pang iba. So for those of you who would like to get access of my more detailed analysis about these stocks below, feel free to PM me and I will send you the details how to subscribe to Trading Edge weekly stock updates. So that's all guys. Have a great trading day. God bless.